Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of mini drones, specifically focusing on the potential upgrades we might see in the next generation, the Mini 5 Pro. If you're a drone enthusiast or just curious about the latest tech, you're in the right place. Let's start with the current status of the device. The Mini 4 Pro has been out for about 5 months now. In the fast-paced world of technology, this is considered quite a long time. With new devices being released so rapidly, especially in the past couple of years, 5 months can feel like an eternity. Releases. In recent years, we've seen multiple drones and action cameras released each year. The market is flooded with new models, each boasting incremental improvements and new features. This rapid release cycle keeps us on our toes, always anticipating the next big thing. Video purpose. In today's video, we want to discuss the potential upgrades that could take the next mini drones to the next level. Whether it's the Mini 5 or the Mini 5 Pro, there are several exciting possibilities to explore. We'll delve into what these upgrades might look like and how they could enhance your flying experience. Viewer engagement. But before we get into the details, we want to hear from you. What upgrades do you want to see in the upcoming Mini 5 or Mini 5 Pro? Leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable and could even influence future designs. Speculations. It's important to note that nothing has been confirmed by DJI yet. The information we're discussing today is based on past release cycles and our own speculations. However, these educated guesses can give us a good idea of what to expect. Camera upgrades. Now, let's talk about one of the most anticipated aspects of any new drone release, the camera. For the Mini 5, we might see a significant upgrade with a potential 1-inch sensor, similar to the one found in the Pocket 3. This would be a notable improvement, especially considering the minor upgrades we've seen from the Mini 2 to the Mini 3. However, the jump from the Mini 3 Pro to the Mini 4 Pro brought substantial enhancements, and we expect the Mini 5 to follow this trend. Features. When it comes to features, the Mini 5 could include some impressive advancements. One of the standout features might be a 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system, which would greatly enhance the drone's ability to navigate complex environments. Additionally, we could see an upgrade from OcuSync 3 to OcuSync 4, improving the transmission quality and range. The Mini 4 Pro already includes 2 GB of internal storage, which is incredibly useful if you run out of space on your SD card. We hope to see this feature carried over to the Mini 5. Release speculations. As to the release date, based on previous patterns, we speculate that the Mini 5 or Mini 5 Pro could be launched around October or November. This timing would align with DJI's typical release schedule, giving us something exciting to look forward to in the coming months. Price speculations. Regarding the price, our best guess is that the standalone Mini 5 drone might be priced around $899. For those looking for a more comprehensive package, the Fly More kit could be available for approximately $1,199. These estimates are based on the pricing trends of previous models. Upgrades. Another potential upgrade is in the frame rates. We might see it increase from 100 FPS to 120 FPS. While this might seem like a minor change to some, for those